Hello, Shari. I love you. Happy birthday. 7th birthday. You're big na. But you're always our baby. I'm sorry, even though we don't have celebration. Um, you know naman. But I love you so much. Even though I don't have gift, I'm here naman to take care. Sometimes I'm busy. You know, I'm go to school also like you. So, when you're big na, you can go in the beautiful school, exclusive school, and what you want to become. You can't believe you're big na. I love you so much. And mom, I love you also. Me. Even though I'm not always playing with you, when I come home, I'm very tired. But you always become a sweet girl. Since you're baby pa, you're very sweet. I love you so much. That's why I feel so happy. You're become like that because your mama know how to take care of you. Alam niyang palakihin ka. Mabait, masunurin, matalino. Sana hanggang paglaki mo ganyan ka pa rin. Very sweet. Always mind others. And hope always be like that. Always kind to others. Always mind others. And very sweet to your mama and me. Sometimes I get angry when I follow you because I want you to become a good girl. You know naman why sometimes mama and papa follow you, di ba? We explain naman. So you know you did wrong. And I don't know what to say pa. Just stay like that, be a good girl, and papa is always here and your mama, and we love you. Dati malit ka lang, kulit-kulit, hanggang ngayon makulit, mataba pa rin. Lagi tang kinakarga. Ngayon, malaki ka na. Ang bigat-bigat mo na, hindi ka na makarga. Pero minsan pilitin ko kargahin ka. Because you're so very, 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 very special to us. You're a beautiful baby that God gave us. And so big na talaga. Can't imagine. You're just a baby. And now, giant girl. Just be a good girl. Okay? Always listen to mama and papa. That's for your own good.